Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 4 is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here you see that this is 7th order equation. It means that this equation has 7 roots. So we need to find all that 7 roots of this equation. So here we move toward the solution of this problem. I hope so you like this video, and please like and share this video to your friends and classmates. And thank you. So we move towards the solution of this problem. So the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to move this x to the power of 4 to the right hand side, and when we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 1, and it will becomes here x to the power of 7 is equals to x to the power of 4 multiplied by 1 is equals to x to the power of 4. And further, in the next step, we move x to the power of 4 from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x to the power of 7 minus x to the power of 4 is equals to 0. And in the next step, we need to rewrite this equation as here we break this exponent 7 as this is x to the power of 7, and we write this 7 as 4 plus 3 minus this is x to the power of 4 is equals to 0. And here we use the nice exponential law. You know about this law. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. According to this rule of exponent, here we need to break these two exponents, and it will be written as x to the power of 4 multiplied by x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further, in the next step, we need more simplification, and you see here both of these two terms involve x to the power of 4. So that when we take common x to the power of 4 from here, we get the remaining values are from here we get x cubed minus from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further, in the next step, we need more simplification, and here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x to the power of 4 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x cubed minus 1 is equals to 0. So first we need to focus on this equation, and from here you see that we have x to the power of 4 is equals to 0 means that this equation gives us 4 roots, and these 4 roots are equal roots, and these roots are 0, 0 and 0, because x to the power of 4 and it is equals to 0, it means that x equals to 4 zeros, 4 times zeros. Okay, so these are the 4 repeated or equal roots of the given equation. And now here we need to get the remaining 3 roots, and remaining 3 roots which we get here from this cubic equation. And you see here that this is cubic equation, and we rewrite this equation as this is x cubed minus we write this one as 1 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So after applying this formula to this equation, it will be written as x cubed. Here we have the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So we substitute both of these two values of a and b here, and it will be written as first you have a minus b, the value of a is x minus the value of b is 1 into this is a square, the value of a is x becomes x square plus ab, the value of a is x and b is 1 plus this is b square and b is 1 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as we have x minus 1 is equals to 0. We break this into the two cases. The first case is x minus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is x square plus x plus this 1 square becomes 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So from here we get the fifth root of the given equation, and that is x is equals to 1. So this is the fifth root, and these are the four repeated root. This is the fifth distinct root. Okay, so here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation, and we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is completing squares, second one is factorization, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, and c is also equals to 1. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c here. So it will be written as x is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is 1, it will becomes minus 1 plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac. Here our a is 1 and c is 1, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is also equals to 1. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square becomes 1 minus 4 times of 1 equals to 4, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So here you see that when negative sign appears inside the square root, it will becomes iota, and we will get here minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So we have these are the two complex roots of the given equation, and we have x is equals to 0, 0, 0 and 0. These four roots are repeated real roots, and one be the also a distinct real root. So these are the total 7 roots of the given equation, in which 5 roots are real and 2 roots are complex. Okay, so these are the total 7 roots of the given equation. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.